मलेशिया के वज़ीर-ए-आज़म डॉक्टर महातीर मोहम्मद कहते हैं कि वज़ीर-ए-आज़म इमरान खान और तुर्की के सदर रजब तैयब उर्दगान के साथ मिलकर मुसलमानों के लिए एक बड़े चैनल की इब्तिदा कर रहे हैं।
कुआलालंपुर में सहाफ़ियों से बात करते हुए डॉक्टर महातीर मोहम्मद ने कहा कि पाकिस्तान, मलेशिया और तुर्की मिलकर मुसलमानों के मसाइल उजागर करने के लिए नए चैनल के जरिए दुनिया तक अपना पैगाम पहुंचाएंगे।
An idea which has been repeated many times in other countries, the attempt to understand the problem faced by the Muslims and the situation they are in today. So the KL Summit is about understanding the decline and fall of the great Islamic civilization. So the KL Summit intends to focus on all these problems to find out why we are in such a state, and maybe in understanding the reasons, we may map out a way to reduce, if not eliminate, all these problems faced by the Muslims. That is the purpose of the KL Summit, and maybe it can be regarded as the first step towards rebuilding the great Muslim civilization. In the UN meeting in New York, I had an opportunity to meet together with President Erdogan of Turkey and Mr. Imran Khan of Pakistan. We got to talking about the problem faced by the Muslim world and the Muslims, and in the end we find that people misunderstand us, and that misunderstanding is caused by negative publicity. We need to tell our side of the story. So one of the best ways, of course, is the television. So this TV station is very important. It will cover the whole world. It will come in English and in other languages. And in the process, we hope that people will understand Islam better. It will be done in the three countries. It will be broadcast throughout the world. We will have some kind of an editorial board, of course. They will have to determine what kind of message we will carry, how it will be carried, what would be the most effective way of explaining what Islam is all about.